Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete steps to use second space on your Poco M8 Pro. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more useful guides. Now let's begin and set up the second space.